This is a fingerprint safe, which I designed to prevent my sweets from ever being stolen again. Now, if you see this, you might be wondering, Franek, isn't this a bit over the top, just to keep candy? And to that I have to say no. Let me explain it to you. Everything that is not locked up will eventually disappear. That's why I built my first safe with a lock on it. But locks need keys, and keys are easy to find, just like the hidden candy. So I took my building and programming skills together to build a truly safe safe. First of all, I researched electronic ways to secure my safes, so I can build my first lockless safe. I came across three options: number pad, fingerprint and Face ID. I chose the fingerprint option because its expenditure to safety ratio was the best. What I mean by that is that I have to spend the lowest amount of time per safety unit. I will be uploading a second video soon, in which I will develop a 3D artificial intelligence Face ID system from scratch, so stay tuned. So now it was time to think of a lock system and design the mechanics. And I didn't want this solid wood to be secured by a 1 cm lock. So once more I went on my laptop and researched safe mechanics. What I found out is a beautiful alignment of gear racks and wheels, pretty similar to the ones you might know from medieval gates. Only with the help of the safe knob you can move many pins at once and secure the door on all sides. First of all, I made sure that the electronics worked as I wanted them to. You can find links to all the parts and 3D models in the video description. Next, I purchased a solid piece of lumber, which I cut into fitting pieces. One of them became the door. I removed the middle part and drilled holes into the sides so I could insert my 3D printed pins. Since the design needed custom parts, I designed them myself, which took me a while because it was my first time designing parts for a 3D printer. But after approximately 1 week of work and printing failures, I had finished the door. Everything worked perfectly. I'm just joking. Of course nothing worked, and I had to widen the holes and rearrange the parts. But after a while, it worked quite well, and I could go on to the next step, and that is I first disassembled the parts, then I sanded the surface. Next, I started painting. The following day, I reassembled the pieces, and here it is, the truly safe safe, ready to fight burglary. Thank you for watching this video. This project took a lot of time and effort, but in the end I think it turned out pretty good. I will soon publish another update in which I will make the safe even safer. If you enjoy this type of content, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And big thanks to my buddy It's Just JP for filming and editing this video. See you next time and goodbye!